All right, it is the next day, folks, and the sun is finally shining for the first time in what feels like 3 weeks. But anyways, we're gonna see what we can get figured out with this bin and hopefully be hauling some corn today, finally. Maybe. I shouldn't have even said that, probably. I guess we'll fire up the old 4230, see what happens. Rock and roll. Give her a little go-go juice, nose candy, if you will. Let's have a good day. Oh, baby. 1 for 1 so far. Woo! Okay, now let's see if this shit's froze. That looks like it's moving like it's supposed to. Okay. Now this is really gonna be the moment of truth here. Bad feeling it's still not gonna work. Holy buckets, it's working for now. I don't want to say too much yet, but I'm gonna feel really stupid for spending 2 hours beating the shit out of this rod back and forth if it just works because I left it overnight now. I will gladly feel stupid if it just works. I will gladly feel stupid. Do not get me wrong. Suppose I should probably start the old semi before that gets full and there's no air built up. Come on. Holy buckets, everything is starting. It's a great day. That's what happens when a little bit of sun comes out. Woo! Smoky. So far, so good. Oh boy, I hope it keeps running. Anyways, gonna get this truck loaded and we'll take her to town, hopefully. I'm trying to cross my fingers, I can't do it with my gloves on. Trucking. It's a miracle. We are trucking. No line at the elevator. Dumping both hoppers at one time. Doesn't get much better than that, maybe. Oh my god. I hate corn dust so much. But only took me like a minute to dump. If only I could load that fast, that'd be crazy. But we are rocking and rolling at least, so I'm not gonna complain. Now we just pull on to the outbound scale, get our ticket, go back home and do it all over again. Pretty simple. And we're done. We are now homeward bound, baby. Let's roll. If I can hit a gear, maybe. All right, now let's roll. We're home, bitches. And we are vibing now. Either in the middle of this vlog or at the end of the last vlog, I was saying how some days you just don't know why you even decided to be a farmer, and then I wake up the next day and everything's going smooth and I'm back to living my life. So I guess you take the W's where you can get them. Perfect. Oh my god, corn dust fucks with me so hard. I lost it. Fuck. All right, we are back from lunch now. Currently, my gas pedal has fallen off. Well, gonna have to get that fixed quick, or I'll just use the actual this deal. But we'll work on that, and then we'll get loaded and we'll head back out. It's really not cold enough to have my hood on, but you guys didn't tell me my hair looked like shit, so now we shall be wearing a hood for the rest of the video. let's hope that this afternoon goes as well as that first load did. That would be super awesome. Come on, baby. Are you kidding? No. This is not a good start. It was just running like 40 minutes ago. No, an hour ago. Give her some more nose candy, I suppose. Oh, missed it. Let's try this again. Oh. Okay. All it ever takes is a little nose candy, you know what I'm saying? Can you see I'm winking? Whatever. You get the idea. Nice and cold. Nice and cold rock and roll, baby. I'm gonna crawl up this sketchy ass ladder, make sure everything looks good inside the bin still. Probably shouldn't be doing this with a GoPro in my hand, but I guess it'd make for good content if it fell off of here though, so. Anything for the views, baby. Well, I don't know if you guys can see in there very well, but it looks pretty good to me. I don't see any spots really that look shitty. Anyways, looking good. Look at this view also. Isn't it beautiful? You can kind of see some of our junk spots when I do that, so don't look too close. It'll get cleaned up eventually. Oh, no. And we're back off to the elevator once again. Let's not cut this corner too tight, hopefully. Hold in. Ka-chow. Pulling back onto the inbound scale once again. So most of you guys are probably farmers that watch me, but basically on the inbound scale they just get your weight and they probe your load for moisture, and then they tell you to go straight ahead or whatever pit or whatever the case may be. But then you just go dump, come back around, go back to the outbound scale, and you're good to go. All right, back to the outbound scale, then back home we go. Sorry, I'm trying to make this as much entertaining as I possibly can, but it's obviously just not really that crazy of a job. Long day of hauling corn. Figured I might as well show you guys kind of what I'm even doing, like when I'm going on the scales and stuff. Basically up here, you got your gross weight. That's what I weighed when I was loaded and everything. Tare weight, that's what I weighed when I was empty. Down here, got about 15% moisture, 60.8 test weight. Hauled in about 1,055 bushels there, so about right where I want to be. Anyways, there's just a little knowledge for you little bastards that for some reason watch this YouTube channel. So you're welcome. I'm getting loaded again. We'll try to make at least one more. It'd be nice if I could get two, because then I'd have all 5 in, but we'll at least get one more in and see where we're at. Just got to the elevator with my last load of the day anyways. Still have to bring one more, but I think it's supposed to snow tonight, so that's probably not going to happen, but would have been a little faster if I could have got a better start. But anyways, this is the last one for today. Down the hatch. I'm not forgetting it this time. You guys witnessed it? I plugged it in, okay. I think that's about gonna do it for me for today. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the bullshit as always. And we'll catch you in the next one. Stay frosty.